I request Pooja Kashi to start presentation.
Karo start?
Oh yeah, of course.
Good morning, friends. I am Kashit Pooja. Today I speak in the subject embryonic development of the brain. The embryonic development of the brain means what? First you call. The embryonic development starts with the ectodermal brain. Means what? The ectodermal brain is aggregate together to form neural plate. Each formed a neural tube. Then the embryonic development of the brain consists of the following parts, that's prosencephalon, mesencephalon and rhombencephalon. The embryonic brain is also called as essencephalon. It is divided into three main parts. That is, first part is prosencephalon. In prosencephalon, forebrain is developed. Again, forebrain is divided into two parts. That first part is telencephalon and second part is diencephalon. Then second part is mesencephalon. The mesencephalon midbrain is developed, and then midbrain is again developed. The optic lobe is developed from the midbrain. The third part is rhombencephalon. From rhombencephalon, metencephalon and myelencephalon are developed. From myelencephalon, cerebellum is developed, while from that of myelencephalon, medulla oblongata is developed. म्हणजे काय? म्हणजे embryonic brain divided into three parts. First part is prosencephalon. Prosencephalon पासून forebrain developed होतं आणि forebrain पासून परत दोन पार्ट पडतात. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज telencephalon and second part is diencephalon. And second part is mesencephalon. Mesencephalon पासून midbrain developed होतं आणि midbrain पासून optic lobe developed होतं. Third part is rhombencephalon. From rhombencephalon, metencephalon and myelencephalon are developed. म्हणजे rhombencephalon पासून mesencephalon and myelencephalon developed होतं. नंतर myelencephalon पासून cerebellum is developed होतं आणि नंतर metencephalon पासून cerebellum developed होतं आणि myelencephalon पासून medulla oblongata is developed होतं. नंतरचा पार्ट आहे ventricles. Ventricles means what? The different parts of the brain encloses in hollow cavity is called as ventricles. And the ventricles, the different parts of the brain is enclosed in a hollow cavity is called as ventricles. And the ventricles are filled with a cerebrospinal fluid, which is secreted by the anterior chloride fluxes and posterior chloride fluxes. This is the diagram of the ventricles. Ventricles means काय? तर different parts of the brain is enclosed in a hollow cavity. Hollow cavity means अशी एक पोकळ कॅव्हिटी असते, त्यामध्ये डिफरंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द ब्रेन इज एन्क्लोज केलेल्या असतात. त्या कॅव्हिटीला आपण काय म्हणतो? व्हेंट्रिकल्स. मग व्हेंट्रिकल्स आर फिल्ड विथ सेरिब्रोस्पायनल फ्लुइड. सेरिब्रोस्पायनल फ्लुइड हे सिक्रेटेड अँटेरियर क्लोराइड फ्लक्सेस अँड पोस्टेरियर क्लोराइड फ्लक्सेस यापासून सिक्रेट झालेलं असतं आणि ते व्हेंट्रिकल्स मध्ये असतं. आता डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ द व्हेंट्रिकल्स. The first ventricle is rhinosole. Rhinosole. The cavity enclosed by the olfactory lobe is called as rhinosole. And second part is parasole. Parasole or lateral ventricle. It is also called as lateral ventricle or second ventricle enclosed by the cerebrum or cerebral hemisphere. Dialosole.
Diocele.
Diocele. Diocele It is also called as third ventricle, enclosed by the cerebral hemisphere. Sorry,
Diencephalon.
diencephalon. The connection between second and third ventricle is called as foramen menro. सर फास्ट होतंय का?
No, असू दे, चालू दे. No problem. You carry on.
Opticile, the ventricle enclosed by the optic lobe is called as optisole. Metasole, cerebellum encloses a hollow cavity is called as metasole or fourth ventricle. The myocele,
COEL, seal. Myocele.
okay. Myelocele, medulla oblongata encloses a hollow cavity is called as myelocele. तर आता पहिल्यापासून बघू. रायनोसिल मीन्स काय? तर ऑल्फॅक्टरी लोब न जी कॅव्हिटी एन्क्लोज केलेली असते त्या कॅव्हिटीला आपण काय म्हणतो? रायनोसिल. सेकंड पार्ट पॅरासिल. पॅरासिल मीन्स व्हॉट? द cavity enclosed by the cavity enclosed by the cerebrum or cerebral hemisphere. It is also called as lateral ventricle or second ventricle. Then third part is diocele. The cavity enclosed by the diencephalon is called as diocele. The connection between two parts, that is third ventricle and second ventricle, is called as foramen menro. Opticile, the ventricle enclosed by the optic lobe is called as opticile. Metacile, cerebellum encloses a hollow cavity is called as a metacile or fourth ventricle. Myelocele, medulla oblongata encloses a hollow cavity called as myelocele. The connection between optocele and metacile is called as iter. Then third point is meninges. Meninges means what? The brain and the spinal cord is covered by the protective covering of the fibrous connective tissue is called as meninges. म्हणजे हे ब्रेन आणि स्पायनल कॉर्डचं कव्हरिंग, प्रोटेक्टिव्ह कव्हरिंग आहे, त्याला मेनिंजेस म्हणतात. मेनिंजेस आर three parts, that is three layer of the covering. First layer is called as pia matter, second is dura matter, and second is arachnoid, and third is dura matter. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sir, मला नाही एवढं जमलं. Thank you.
No problem. You tried very well.
नाही ग, मस्त झालंय. डोंट वरी. छान वाटलं.
मस्त सोपं आहे.
एकदम छान वाटलं.